We are a team of watch enthusiasts who have passion in modifying watch. Modded watch is something really exclusive to you. It will be a special watch because you choose what type of bezel, insert, chaptering, dial, hands and crystal. You are the one who decide what the final outcome of the watch will be. We have been modifying hundreds of watches every year since 2016. We will be sharing the videos of these watches as well as our upcoming projects. So please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to make sure you get notified on our new videos because we make video every week. Welcome to NKST channel. Watch modding offers a chance to break down, rebuild, and construct the whole watch of your dreams. Many brands give you the option of modulation, letting you impose your will on the fashion piece that goes on your wrist. From straps to the dials, even to the crystals and hands, with the right watch, you can edit your watch to suit your taste. In the world of watch modding, SEIKO stands above all because it lets you customize it with OEM and aftermarket parts readily available on the open market. When it comes to choosing parts, we usually stick to OEM parts, especially on the dial. Hands, chaptering, bezel, insert, crystal can be aftermarket parts. Their quality is pretty decent and more design options that we can choose from. As watch modding community is growing rapidly these days, we start to see a lot of aftermarket dials floating around. The overall quality of these aftermarket dials is very close to OEM dials. If these aftermarket parts are labeled as aftermarket and priced reasonably, it is fine. But if they are listed as OEM and being sold at a high price, it will become counterfeit or fake parts. When you purchase the dials online, please be careful. If you order from those reputable sources or SEIKO authorized dealers, it is okay. If you are buying from open source like eBay, you have to be extra careful. In this video, we will show you the comparison between OEM and the aftermarket dial of King Turtle, so that you know what to look out for when you are buying for your modding project. As you can see, the one on my left is OEM dial and those on my right are aftermarket dials. Aftermarket comes with a few colors: green, white, brown, yellow and black. Those colored dials can be spotted as aftermarket easily. The tricky one is the black. Main difference between OEM and aftermarket dial is the material. Look at the back of each dial. It is so easy to spot if you are inspecting the dial alone. On the front, the way they shine is different. The sheen on aftermarket dial is more obvious. It is more shiny. Look at it. Another difference is loom. Nothing can be compared with SEIKO original loom. However, we would say that the C3 loom on aftermarket dial is really surprising. Even though overall quality of the aftermarket dials look pretty good, you can definitely see the difference if you compare them side by side. These aftermarket dials can be your alternative option of your modding project of your own if you are unable to source OEM dial. It is definitely not an option to build the exact King Turtle as original and sell as counterfeit watch. So what do you guys think? We really hope you can get some useful information from this video. If you like it, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we see you again in the next video.